Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to see how to sync our files in the PC directly into our Google Drive without manually uploading them. That means, whenever we dump our files into the specified folder in our PC, those will be directly uploaded to our Google Drive. Let's see how to do this. First, we need to download the Google Drive app into our PC. Now open your favorite browser and search for Google Drive for Windows and hit enter. This is the official website for downloading the Google Drive. I will leave a link in the description so that you can directly download from there. Let's open this. Now scroll down. In this download section, click on this drive for Mac or PC. Now scroll down. In this individual section, click on this download button. Now hit on this agree and download. Now click on the start download button. The download has been completed. Now locate the file in your file explorer. This is it. Now right click on this and run it as administrator. Now hit on this S button. It is connecting to the internet and the download has been started. The installation has been completed. Let's close this. The Google Drive app has been started. All of your files are at your fingertips. Let's get started. In order to upload our files, first we need to sign into our Gmail account. Give your mail ID over here. Now click on next. Now provide your password. It's saying that choose the folders from your computer to continuously backup to Google Drive. Now let's choose the folders which we need to backup to our Google Drive. I am unchecking all this and clicking on this choose folder. Now I am selecting the folder which I want to backup to my Google Drive account. This is it. It has been selected and you can choose as many folders as you like. After selecting all the folders you need, now click on this next. Sync files from my drive to a folder on this computer. That means the files which are in our Google Drive that can be synced onto our computer. I am unchecking all this as I don't need all of this on my computer, and you can choose any folders that you need and then click on the start button. The setting of our Google Drive has been completed. Let me show you how this really works. It is showing up here, backup and sync is setting up. That means it had been started to backup our files on the computer. This is the icon for our Google Drive. Let us open the Google Drive on the browser. Now once again sign in to our Google Drive account in the browser. Give your mail ID and password. Now this is the Google Drive in the browser. Let me open the folder which is selected on this computer for Google Drive backing up. Opening the File Explorer. This is the folder. Let us keep side by side. Now let us create a folder on this Google Drive. See, this folder has been created in the File Explorer as well. Let me create a folder on this File Explorer. Let's give it a name like yeah. Now you can see that the folder has been created on the Google Drive as well. Like this, any folder created on the Google Drive or on this computer, both are synced in the real time. So there is no room for the virus. Let me show you what happens when we delete a folder or a file on the computer. Let me delete this untitled folder. Now refresh this web page. See, the folder is not get deleted. That means whenever we got lost of the files on this computer, the files still be stored and backed up on our Google Drive, so we can get back those files. That's it friends, I think you have learned how to use the Google Drive. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is Tunal. I'll catch you in the next one.